Come man, or if I start the cartoon, man, Ted for up in him.
Oh no, before we start and get right into the video, subscribe. So you'll see when every time Kelly Toons post a video. Far away, across the Caribbean Sea. On a beautiful island called Jamaica.
Watcha, 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 watcha.
Oh yeah, this is what we can over there. They're going like a fear road. No, this man look like a theme road and a him and Jamaican innocence. Fully Jamal. No man. How to them people, man.
Lived a kind, sweet and caring woman named Natalie Smith.
Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at home.
She didn't just start a YouTube channel. She brought her full personality to the screen.
So I'm here, so said I'm going to give a speech back to all you guys that support me and that's still going to support me. Guys, I can't even tell how grateful I am for the messages, like the messages saying do not stop, keep on. And guys, at first I did shy out of the world, but all those messages you may read and say, I want to say like keep up, don't stop giving don't stop giving video, and just, you know, guys, remember the first time that my sister-in-law say, if people don't want to see you do video, they might comment at them and say they want to see you do video. And I say, I don't know if I can do that. Me like with me have to talk to your phone and like me have to talk and I put out here and then me know say like me there and then somebody will say me see you upon this and see you upon that, and you know. So me say no, so I don't think me can manage. And she say you can manage, man. At first off everybody did, you know. And I say alright, me I give it a try. And she say alright, me I put your name down and put you out. And I say yes man, do your thing. And guys, she encouraged me, only encouraged me too, and me so grateful of that. I love that. So far it does good and me happy for everything, like happy for everything now, cause it wanna make me be brave and now feel happy.
Viewers didn't just watch her, they felt her. And when it came to cooking, oh, Natalie didn't play. The way she seasoned her food, with love, vibes, and a little touch of island magic, you could practically smell it through the device.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Natalie. So I'm going on a boat in the evening, guys. So do steam fish and white rice. This guys. So I'm gonna clean up the fish them as yet. I'm gonna scale them it, guys. So stay tuned. Watch on me. Scale them and go them. So guys, here's my fish, 4 fish, and the mere fisher, then call them grunt, guys. Grunt fish, yeah, them eat good too. So I'm scaling it inside because I can, whenever you scale it in the water, it don't drop the all over, guys. When you hold it down in the water, the scale don't flash up all about. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress. Holding it down the water and scale it. See it? Now flash. But if you hold it up now and scale it now, it will flash up and scale up. Raw fish and release a raw, not release a raw still. Release a raw. See it? So it come off good. Finish, you know. No scale. I normally go outside, you know, guys, but show one show, no. You know, you can stay inside as well, but you know, we always mostly go outside because you know this is not a practice. So, you know. And guys, if you scale them freeze, you just let them out tight and you just set them out in the freezer and you put them in some water. Just put in the water and make them thaw out right out. You just start scale easier too. Whether outside or inside, I will really want to scale it. Guys, I have my scale and I go cut off. I'm going to season up now, guys, so stay tuned. So guys, season up everything now. So guys, drop in the butter. And make it on the boil, guys. Carrot has cooked now, so I can put in the grunt now. Yeah, I can put in the fish them now. See progress. That's it, you know. So I'm gonna try and put on my rice. Yeah, you know, I hit this. Upon the fish them gonna come lovely. Boiling. Yeah. Rice are steamed down, you know, guys. Yeah. Soon finish. Yeah, man. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Yes guys, and stay tuned. Love you all and thanks for supporting me. Thanks and thanks much all the time.
Every stir of the pot, every flip of the pan, it wasn't just cooking. It was a whole experience. From juicy curry chicken to perfectly steamed fish, her kitchen became a place where comfort lived and flavour danced. People watched not just to learn, but to feel like they were home. But Natalie didn't do it alone. She built her own team. With her by their side, her team brought just as much flavour and fun.
What goes up and down, but doesn't move.
Your weight! Your weight!
Wait, the move! Where that come from? What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000?
No, what's love?
Money!
You come in a minute and go in a second. My question, Selita.
What comes?
M.
Minute. Moment.
But never in 1,000. M.
Yeah, this is not our plan. What can you cut, but you can't throw?
Ball.
This goes around the world, but never stay in one corner. What am I?
Man.
It goes around the world, but it never stay in one corner.
Sun.
Sun never in a corner.
Oh, yeah, man, girl, and the corner. Until he says it's not sun or the moon.
No. A stamp. A stamp not always in the corner of the letter. It's sometimes I make up.
One thing is really all time.
Back in the days.
What have 4 fingers and a thumb, but it's not alive? 4 fingers, a thumb, and it's not alive. Yes, Tashana?
Gloves.
Yes.
But gloves on fire. Oh! 4 finger on the top. Scoop! It's not right engine. Then planning.
From hilarious food challenges to wild games and non-stop laughter, they turned simple moments into viral memories. You make it this far in the video, I'm guessing you're really enjoying it. So consider subscribing for more. You'll put a smile on Kelly Toon's face. But let's get back to the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will run another banger challenge. So guys, you know, ask for pepper noodle challenge. So I eat where I go mats out, you know. Saskia, Tashana the outside, yeah. See noodle in there. We have 6 pack of what you call ramens noodle. See pot here. Guys, they might try prank me, but it not gonna work. Any one then give me a take one I feel them want me. Nah work.
So kick anyone I want.
Which one I go give me first?
When I start play like Winchi.
So yes guys, the soup ready and we're gonna go right into it now. Everybody have them plate and we'll go in front. Guys, if you see me not eat off here to them prank me, not eat either too salt or something wrong with it guys. No, do not them prank me. Never in there.
Is this an 80 half? Yeah, get food plate and 80 half.
We eat it till it done, so nobody feel so who no not go eat half, when I eat it till it done.
You know, pull up my belly, you know.
So you have the less?
I have
no
less,
less.
I win.
I see my mouth now.
I say I always a win, guys, because in progress, you have the less. Get the plate there to win, you know.
Come, take some. No, I see my mouth now. I see my mouth. I just show this a plate and I eat.
And that then, though, give me more.
No water.
What water?
No water to the winner.
Yes,
and when time I win a done, when I feed a phone and I win alone, I drink water. When I go suffer it, so I suffer them.
Water gone, so I wonder where I get water from.
Whether it was who could eat the most, who could cook the best, or just who could make everyone laugh the hardest, one thing was for sure. With Natalie and her crew, you were guaranteed a good time, filled with family, fun, and familiar faces. Together, they created unforgettable moments.
What has teeth but cannot bite?
Huh?
Tashana? Well, it can be fork, but I was looking for comb. Can be.
Bite.
Natalie didn't just become a YouTuber. She became a storyteller, a comforter, a reminder that even in a world full of noise, there's still joy, there's still love, and there's still togetherness in the heart of Jamaica. And best believe, this is just the beginning. Seems like you actually watched till the end. Just remember, my friend, dream big, you'll only be this age once.
Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chris Ann's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom-pom parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me, behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Tunes. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.